Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over 4 different steps to help you become sub 35 at 3x3 one-handed. So let's get started. So the first step is hardware. You just need a speed cube, not something super duper fancy like Against 354, although that may be helpful. But even something like a mini MOFANG JIAOSHI, that's my main, and I think it's really good. So you don't need something too terribly expensive, just something that's good for you. Next step is tension. You need to know how to tension your cube for 3x3 one-handed, because if you use your 3x3 two-handed main, like this is a lot harder to turn than this is. And if I use this for OH, after like 5 solves or less, my hand gets tired. Whereas this, I can just go for like an average of 12 or more, and it's still good. So tensions are very important. Third step is lube. You can lube your cube or not. Personally, I don't have my cube lubed. But if you did want to lube your cube, that would be completely fine. So this is just a completely dry mini MOFANG JIAOSHI, but the reason I don't have any lube in here is because like I don't use it for one day and all of a sudden it's pretty gummy and it'll hurt my hand. So it'll just be too gummy and too hard to turn. So that's why I don't have any lube in it, just so that I don't have to keep maintaining it, and it'll always be the same every single time. So the fourth step is TPS. You want to have fairly good TPS to become sub 35. It's not extremely necessary, but like just knowing finger tricks like the pinky and R prime like that, pinky R prime, and then U prime and U. It may be helpful to like learn the F prime and the F finger tricks, but those aren't completely necessary. D is pretty much the same, D prime, but it's just good to know the basic finger tricks for one-handed because it's just very helpful to get sub 30. One trick to help you get faster TPS is to, for example, if you're doing a soon, don't do it like this. You want to do it something like this, where you do R, U, then as you're doing the R prime, you re-grip for another U, so you don't have to wait at all. And then R, U2, R prime. So, yeah. Just you don't want to have too long of a pause in between your turns, because if you're doing re-grips all the time, it'll definitely hurt your TPS and you won't get as good times. So the final thing I'm doing is an example solve. Just doing a random hand scramble. Okay, so this is opposite, and I can just put it in like that. But what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to start like this, do R, U prime, R prime, U prime, to get these in. So I inserted the green and orange, and then you can just rotate that, and then align the cross. So I see this is blue and this is red, so they can be paired together like that. And then rotate and insert. Here I know a special trick for this one, but I'm going to do this one instead. So insert the corner into the back, bring the edge over, pair them together, put them in the back. Do that case from the back, and then these two, and then OLL. You see there I did do the F finger tricks and PLL. For PLL, for the J perm specifically, some people use the F version for that J perm, which is okay, RUF version. But I personally use the RU2 version just because it's 2-gen and F moves for OH are awkward. So yeah, that is a tutorial on how to become sub 35 at OH. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on that.